Do you find it challenging to fry and peel your groundnut in such a way it's going to come out this fine and unbroken, suitable for that business? If yes, then you want to watch this video to the end because this video is for you. So with that said, let's just dive into the video. To begin, you want to get your peanuts. Here in Nigeria, we call it groundnuts. So now I'm going to be measuring 4 cups. This is 4 cups of groundnut I'm using. After measuring, I'm going to pick it. You want to do this in case of any stones or bad ones. You want to remove them. You don't want to make your groundnut and at the end you are seeing stones in them. So next, after sorting, now you want to wash your groundnuts. You want to do it this way so that you are going to have a delicious groundnut and to remove any dust from your groundnut by washing it. Okay, so now add your salt to a bowl like so and add water to it. If you do it this way, your salt is going to penetrate deep into your groundnut. It's not going to just end at the shell of your groundnut. So now after adding your salt, you want to shake it like this so that your salt is going to dissolve properly into the water, and make sure you are using hot water. Okay, yeah, so now you want to add your groundnut or your peanuts. Just add it into the bowl of water. Make sure the water level is above the peanuts so that it can sit properly. You can also use your spoon like this to just mix it well so that everything is going to sit properly, that the salt is going to soak in very well. Now you want to take it away and allow it to rest, sit on it properly for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what we have. And now I'm going to take out the groundnut from the bowl of water and put it in this colander so that it's going to drain out the excess water before we dry it. The water is still hot, as well I'm using this spoon. Can you see the color of the water? Can you see how red this is? So now can you see the excess water that came out from these groundnuts? So you want to do this for like 5 minutes. Just allow it to sit on the colander like this and drain out the excess water. So after taking out the excess water, now you want to sun dry completely. Just pour your groundnut into a tray like so and take it to the sun to sun dry. You can use your dehydrator to dry this if you have a bad weather. Please don't use an oven to dry your groundnut because it's going to bake it. So just spread your groundnut out like this. Spread it out so that it does not gum together, it does not join together, so that the sun can dry everything. And after that, you want to take it out and sun dry. After drying, this is what we have. This took me days to dry because there was no sun. So after drying, this is what we have. It is totally dried now. Next, you want to proceed to fry, and I'm going to be using garri to fry. Yes, this is the garri I'm using. This is 1 cup of garri. Some people use sand, some people use salt, but I'm going to use garri for this. It is way easy for me. So now I'm going to pour the garri now into my pan I'm going to use to fry. You want to do it this way. Just pour it like this, and now you want to take it to the heat to eat. Make sure your garri is hot before you pour in your groundnuts. And if you're in diaspora and you don't have access to garri, you can use your semolina for this. It's going to serve the same purpose. It's just to serve as a base for your peanuts so that it does not get burnt. So now pour your peanuts into your dried garri and give it a stir. Just continue to mix everything together like so. At this stage, you don't want to leave your groundnuts on the heat like that for anything. Just make sure you are done with anything you want to do before you do this process, because if you leave your groundnut there, it's going to burn and you don't want that. So keep on stirring and stirring till your groundnut is ready. So keep on checking. You want to continue to check as you are stirring. You can pick out one like so, just the way I'm doing there now, and checking, and you can see that this one is still white, is not ready yet. So you want to continue to mix till your groundnut is ready. And can you see the second one I'm peeling? It's getting brown, but it's not there yet. So you want to continue to do this, continue to check, continue to stir and check till your groundnut is ready. And can you see this golden brown now? it is ready now. It is ready, and now it is time to take it away from the heat. And remember, you want to fry on medium to low heat. The heat should not be too high so that it does not get burnt. Okay, so now you want to pour your groundnut into your colander like this to strain out the garri from the groundnut. Can you see the color of the garri? Can you see that it has changed in color to tell you that your groundnut is ready? Yes, so it has to change in color like that because it was working, it was hot. So yeah, so now just continue to shake like this to remove the garri from the groundnuts. Can you see our color of garri? So this garri we use now, you can use it again. Don't throw it away. Okay, you can use it to fry another batch of groundnuts. So next, you want to take out the chaff. You want to peel your groundnuts, and this is the container I'm using to store my groundnuts because I'm eating this in my house. Yeah, I'm using this airtight container. Just get an airtight container, any one of your choice, to store your groundnuts. You can use bottle if you are selling it. So know that you want to peel your groundnuts when it is not too hot, when your hands can carry it, okay, but it should not be too cold, okay, so that breeze or air does not spoil your groundnut for you. So to peel your groundnuts, this is how you can peel your groundnuts successfully without it breaking into two. If you are selling, this is very, very important. Pay close attention to what I'm doing. Can you see the way I'm peeling it? You don't want to be in a hurry to do this. You want to make sure that you have that time. You don't want to be in a hurry because when you are in a hurry peeling your groundnuts, it's going to be breaking, and you don't want that if you are doing it for business. Okay, you want to take your time. You want to do it gently. Make sure your palm is not too, you are not pressing it hard too, you are not pressing it too hard on it so that it's going to come out whole. So just do it gently like that, and know that you are going to be taking it one by one. You are not going to be in a hurry if you want to get a whole groundnut like this. So just know that you can't use your both ends to scrub it. It's going to peel off. It's going to break into two. Another secret for you to get a whole groundnut like this is for you to use Kampala groundnuts. Yes, this is the groundnut I'm using. This is the groundnut I used. That's Kampala groundnuts. So to know your Kampala groundnuts, in case you go to the market and you don't know it, it's your first time, just tell them you want Kampala groundnuts. And to know it, the seeds are always big and it can peel off easily. It's not like those small ones that don't peel off well. Those ones that stress you, that is not how this Kampala groundnut is. It's one of the best groundnuts. So if you are selling, it's advisable you get Kampala groundnuts, and you can put it in a bottle like this to sell. Yes, different sizes, just like so. You can use a bigger bottle and you are going to make lots of profits. So lovelies, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a massive thumbs up. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to read them and answer you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Faithuche, and I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah!